Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk to you guys about the cities with the best credit scores. All right. Do you live in one of these cities? All right. So let's go ahead and go into it. So number one is a city called The Villages, and that is in Florida. All right. Next is going to be Sun City West. That's going to be in Arizona. Well, let me go back. The Villages in Florida, the average credit score there is 807. All right. So you most definitely want to be in that area. Sun City West in Arizona, the average credit score there is 789. And then there's Sun City Center. That's in Florida. And that one is 789. I'm just going to pause right here. All of these places sound like just spots that people retire in. So, of course, you got probably more established I won't necessarily say wealthier people, but just people who are just retired, And of course, when you're older, a lot of the stuff that you have on there on your credit report is old history. But if you've put things in place, you paid things on time, things of that sort over the years, it's no coincidence as to why your score is there. Let's keep going. Green Valley, Arizona, average credit score there is 788. Also, don't know if I told you guys that, but Sun City Center in Florida, average credit score there is 789 as well, as which is weird because there's Sun City West, which is in Arizona, that's 789, and then you have Sun City Center, which is in Florida, that's 789 as well, and in Green Valley, Arizona, which I just mentioned, that one is 788. Then last but not least is going to be Los Altos, California, with an average credit score of 784. All right, so if you are in any of those cities, you most definitely are leading by example. If you're not in any of those cities, you need to find out what they are doing. Right. But no, I'm sure it's a lot of people that just got old habits, putting things in place. These sound like retired spots, to be honest with you, as they're warm, they're nice, that people are chilling, So, but again, these most definitely sound like some retiree spots. And it makes so much sense because, as we know, in order to get in the 800s, you have to have, your accounts open for an average of 8 to 11 years. You need at least a 5 to 7 open accounts. And, obviously you need a mix of credit as well, too. All right. So, of course, if you guys like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.